Hey, good morning, guys. Sorry, I missed out the whole day of Thursday due to the weather, like I said. But want to apologize about that. But anyways, I'm up this morning. Luckily, we haven't missed anything yet this morning, so I got here in time to catch this coal train this morning that's pulling in right now. Despite this bell ringing ridiculously fast, here it comes though. Trains again. Not much is going on after this until Anti gets here later. I'll back up the house. So here. Put him right there. At the end here, 7266 is 7516. Waiting for these gates to go up. There we go. There goes a northbound Union Pacific coal train. I did my road in Austin, Texas, plus a horse show, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a nice morning. Bye-bye.